Hello and welcome, this is Daisy. Today I'm going to be unboxing the PYD Life 2-in-1 Tumbler Heat Press machine. I'm going to show you what comes in the box, how to assemble it, and how it works. Let's unbox it. The first thing that I notice is that it's well packed, very protected. Let's see what comes in this box. Comes with screws and tools for assembly. And this is one of the 2 tumbler presses that come with the machine. While unpacking, I'm going to take this opportunity to invite you to please support my channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, sharing, and by pressing the notification bell. This is a beautiful tumbler press. I like the control panel because it looks so easy to set up the time and temperature. In a little, I will show you how to set up the time and temperature. If you are interested in this product, find the link in the video description down below. So these are the 2 tumbler presses that come with the machine. This one is for pressing 17 ounces tumblers like this one. This other one for pressing from 20 ounces to 30 ounces tumblers. With this one you can also press 11 or 15 ounces ceramic mugs. You can press 2 at the same time. Now I'm going to show you how to change the presses. Before, make sure the machine is off. Unscrew and unplug it. Now we're going to unscrew the press. Now we're going to move to the next step. I'm going to sublimate a 20-ounce skinny tumbler. I have these designs already printed. I'm going to use one of these 2. If you would like to use any of these designs, visit me on my blog. Clean the tumbler with a dry paper towel or a lint roller. Now wrap the design very tight and secured with heat-resistant tape. It's ready to be pressed, but before I'm going to show you how to adjust the pressure. Make sure the machine is off. Don't turn it on just yet. Place the tumbler, press it, and adjust the pressure using these two knobs. You are going to adjust the pressure for each tumbler to be pressed. Take off the tumbler, plug the machine and turn it on. Now I'm going to show you how to set up the time and temperature. Press set, and first we're going to adjust the temperature. Down arrow to lower temperature and up arrow to increase temperature. When you get the desired temperature, press on set. Now we're going to adjust the time. Down arrow to decrease the time and up arrow to increase the time. When finished, press set. It's already warming up. This tumbler will be pressed at 356 degrees for 60 seconds. For this process, it's recommended to wear heat-resistant gloves. And here we have the first skinny tumbler sublimated using the PYD Life 2-in-1 Tumbler Heat Press machine. I love how it turned out. The colors are so beautiful, vivid and bright. These tumblers are excellent and they are also from PYD Life. I'm going to leave those links in the description down below. Stay tuned, since in the next tutorial I'm going to show you how to sublimate glass tumblers. Also, the templates that I'm going to be using for next video are going to be free for you to download on my blog. In short, I can tell you this tumbler heat press is very useful. You can press or sublimate tumblers from 17 to 30 ounces and ceramic mugs from 11 to 15 ounces. I hope you have enjoyed this unboxing and tutorial. And if you would like to know more about the PYD Life 2-in-1 Tumbler Heat Press, in the video description down below, I'm going to link all of these products so you can check them out. Please don't forget to support my channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and by pressing the notification bell. Thank you for your visit, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.